Here's how I make Etsy listing photos using Canva. And the first thing to do is go to their website and sign in. I just use the free version, and then go to the poster option. I use the landscape one. It should say like 24 by 18, so I'll choose that one. And then to add text, go to the text icon on the left. The digital product that I'm making right now is an estate planner, so I'm going to write that. And I'll change the font. I usually use this one. And then I'll change the color of the background. I'll do like a green this time. Make this bigger and then center it. And now I'll add some icons like the Google Doc icon and the ClickUp icon so people know that it comes in Google Doc format and a ClickUp format. So I'll put that next to the title. Now I'll add the ClickUp one. And now I want to add a picture of it in a laptop, so I'm going to go over to Elements and type in laptop. And then next to frames, I'll go to See All. And then choose one of those. I'll just use the first one. Center it. And I already took a screenshot of it, so I'll go over to Uploads. And choose it. And then drag it in. And then if I double click on it, I can adjust the size so it takes up the whole screen. And that's the first page. And then to add the next one, I'll just duplicate it by going to the duplicate page icon on the top right. So I'll choose that. Delete all this out. And on this second page, I like to just have a one-sentence description of what the digital product is. All of your estate information in one place. And I'll move that over to the left. And I want to add another screenshot, so I'll go over to Elements. And this time I'll add a desktop, so I'll type that in. And frames, See All. I'll just use that first one. I think that looks good, and now I'll add another page. So I'll duplicate it. And then delete that out. And on this page, I like to remind people and emphasize that they can access it from any device. So a desktop, a laptop, an iPhone, an iPad. So I add pictures of all of those. And I'll say something like access on all devices. I'll do the desktop one first. Now I'll add in a laptop. Add a screenshot to that. Now I'll add a phone, so type in phone, choose one of these. Add a screenshot there. Adjust it. And now I need to add an iPad or tablet. And add a screenshot to that. I'll add a Google Doc icon so everyone knows it's a Google Doc. And now that page is done. Now I'll add another page. And on this page, I like to emphasize the fact that people can have it with them everywhere they go, so on their phone. So I'll type that. And then make the phone really big. And have a whole page dedicated just to this. And now that page is done, and I'll add another. And on this page, I just like to add a few more facts. Things like it's completely editable and customizable, so if they don't like something, they can change it. Or if it's missing something, they can always add to it or take things away. And all of these pages are basically your marketing material to your audience. So you want to make it really clear what they're getting. And I want to add a picture of an iPad here. So I'm going to go to Elements and Photos. And then just look for one that I like. I like this one. Now I'll add a few stars. Just a little bit more fun than bullet points. And I actually want to change the font of these. Do that one. Add a screenshot in here. And now that page is done. Now I'll make another page, so I'll duplicate that. And it's actually going to be more similar to this other page, so I'll duplicate that one instead. And then hit that arrow to move it down. And this is where I want to tell people that it's also available in the ClickUp format. So I'll type that and change out that icon. Add some screenshots. And now that page is done. Now I'll duplicate this one. And this next page I like to dedicate just to the instructions on how it works, so people know exactly what to expect once they buy it. So this is the how it works page. Add some bullets in here. And just a reminder that nothing's going to be shipped. It's just a digital product that gets downloaded. And I always make a YouTube tutorial for all my digital products, so I like to add a page about that. So people can watch that if they have any other questions. And now I'll add a page with a video. So I'll add a laptop in. And I already recorded a screen recording, so I'll add that. And from here I can trim it. So I just need from like there to about there, and done. And I can also increase the speed of it, so I'll make it like 1.5 speed, so it goes a little bit faster. It's only like a 10-second video. Now I'll just make sure it fits in the laptop screen. And that's it. And the next thing I need to do is make the PDF that has the links to the Google Doc or the Google Sheet or whatever I'm selling, and I'll review how to do that in the next video. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and for all of the other videos in this series, check out the playlist linked in the description below. And I'll see you next week.